Welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable automatic updates on the Telegram app on your PC, especially after the latest update. If you prefer having full control over when your apps update, this quick guide will help you do exactly that. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings properly. Once the app is open, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Go ahead and click on it to open the side menu. From here, scroll down a little and click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can customize how Telegram works on your PC. Next, inside the settings menu, find and click on Advanced. This section includes more detailed options that aren't shown in the basic settings. Now, look for the option labeled Update Automatically. By default, this setting is usually turned on, which means Telegram updates itself without asking you. To stop that, simply toggle the option off. Once you disable it, Telegram will no longer install updates automatically in the background. And that's it. From now on, you'll have full control over when Telegram updates on your PC.